A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When all kind of crazy stuff going on, whose side are you on? Are you on the side of the people them where do God work? Or you dep on the side of the people them who want to kill the people them who are try to do God work? Think about it. And today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 21, from verse 17 to verse 40. When we reach at Jerusalem, the believer them did happy for take we in. The next day, Paul go with we to go talk to James, and all the elder them for the church did it. After Paul go in and tell them howdy, him start tell them everything what God did a do, sake of teamwork amongst the people who are not Jew. When them hear this, them praise God. Then them say to him, say, brother, you see the thousand and thousand of Jew in Jerusalem we believe in a Jesus. And all of them believe and follow the law down to the last letter. Well, them ears say, you teach all of the Jew them we live amongst the people who are not Jew, say them fi turn away from where Moses teach. No circumcise them picnic or live like our Jew fi live. So, what we are going to do when them ears say you're there? Well, this is what we want you to do. We have 4 man monks we did make one promise to God. Carry them with you, go to God's house, and pay the money with them for pay, for get back clean. And you will get clean too. After that, then can cut off them ear. That way everybody we know say what they say about you are not true. Then we see, say you live like how the law say we feel live. But you see the people who are not Jew we believe, we did right to them, but where we did make up our mind for do already. We tell them, say, them nothing and meat where people did take bone sacrifice, give false God, or meat with blood still in it, or animal with eng, and them fi keep away from all sort of sex sin. So the next day, Paul take the 4 man them, and him and them do what the last have to do to get clean in a God's eye. Then him go God house and make the leader them know say him set the time to give up sacrifice for him and the man them. When the 7 day them almost done, the Jew will come from Asia, where did see Paul in the yard where God house there, rile up the crowd and grab on Paul and start bawl out. All who are Jew, who no come help we deal with the man. The man teach everybody everywhere to turn against we people, we law, and the holy place, yeah. And to make it worse, you might carry some Greek people going at the part of God's house where the last say, Uncle Jew for go. And make it not holy no more. Them say this, because then they see Trophimus, we come from Ephesus, in the city with Paul before. So them take it, say Paul didn't make him go in at the part of God's house where Uncle Jew for go. The whole city did rile up. And all of the people, them rush Paul. Them grab him and drag him out of the yard where God's house there and shut the door quick. When them did a try to kill him, somebody said, go tell the head for 1,000 soldiers, say, I pay trouble go on in the city. Him take some soldier and some of them leaders same time and run down upon the crowd. When the crowd see the head for 1,000 soldier and the other soldier them with him, them tap beat Paul. Then the head for 1,000 soldier come and arrest him and order the other soldier them to tie him up with 2 chains. Then him asks, who the man ya? And what him do? Some of the people in the crowd call out one sitting, and so other people call out sitting else. The head for 1,000 soldier couldn't get nowhere with what the crowd did I say. So him get harder for them carry him going at the soldier camp. When them reach at the step, the soldier them have to take up Paul and carry him because the crowd did a galang bad. The crowd of people did a follow them and a ball out. Make we kill him. Give him, make we kill him. When them did out for carry Paul in at the soldier camp, him said to the head for 1,000 soldiers say, I can say something to you. The head for 1,000 soldier asked him say, you can talk Greek? So I know you are the Egyptian where just the other day they caused people to fight against the government and where they lead 4,000 bad men them go out in the desert. Paul answer him say, me a one Jew. Me born and grow in a Tarsus, one big important city in a Cilicia. Me a beg you, give me a chance to talk to the people them. When the head for 1,000 soldier allow him to talk to the people them, Paul turn up on the step and raise him hand for quiet down the people them. When them get quiet, him talk to them in a for them Jew language. A God word this. Thank God. And if you want to hear what Paul did say to the people them that day, just tune in tomorrow. And as a matter of fact, what would even better is if you just click the subscribe button so you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So. And then also click the notification bell so you will get notified whenever there is a new video. All right? All right. So, you know what good? Till next time, one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.